Hey, so I want to show you uh, the reason why I want to change the teaching industry. Okay, the teaching industry for the lecturers, especially for the lecturers, because in university, lecturers are often don't know how to teach. They don't know how to lecture properly, right? So I wanna show you the proof on that lecturers really can teach. And so here am I on YouTube. I was finding the solution for how to find a probability example, and I was doing that question because I didn't understand what my lecturers were teaching, so I had to go on YouTube and search for it, right? And then after I after I browsed the YouTube and watched the whole video, I got the answer. And then I suddenly feel like, okay, I just wanna read the comments. I just wanna read the comments, and I scroll down, and all the comments says the same thing. Like my teacher makes it seem harder than it really is. And then this one also talk about their lecturers. And then this one too, my math teacher. And then yeah, like this one is this one says uh, their teacher are horrible. I mean, you can literally see that a lot of lecturers or teachers doesn't know how to teach. So this thing has been going on for years and years, and I really I really wonder why are these problems have not been solved yet, right? Like seriously though, seriously, I really want to change this problem. I really want to fix the teaching industry, because this is just from one example. Imagine if from one video that a lot of people says this video can teach better, way better than what their lectures can do. I believe that's the probability of bad teacher to good teacher are just 100 or maybe 99 to 1, right? 99 over 1, I don't know, that's the kind of probability. Since we are talking about the probability here, so yeah, the probability, the ratio of bad teacher to good teacher is 99 over 1, right? So yeah, that's actually really bad, and I really want to change it. Okay, so you can see it yourself. Just find this video, finding probability example, and you can look at all the comments, and you can also look at other videos too. Maybe you can just click one of this video, and you can actually read the comments and see that a lot of videos can teach way better than their lecturers. So I wonder why. I wonder why they can't teach properly, right? So I want to fix that. Okay, I want to fix that, but yeah, okay.